Last week, I went to Huawei Connect convention here in Shanghai at the World Expo. In this video, I will share my experience of that event. Let's go. This was the 10th iteration of this convention, and the theme this year was All Intelligence, focusing on how AI is reshaping strategy, technology, and ecosystems. Huawei Connect isn't really a consumer-focused event like a smartphone launch. Instead, it's aimed at organization, industry players, and professionals, showcasing solutions for data center customers, manufacturing industries, financial institutions, education, and smart cities, among many others. It's a massive platform where Huawei and its partners demonstrate how AI and digital infrastructure can transform entire sectors and build the intelligent future together. All right, let's kick things off by talking with Ming, who introduced me to two really interesting features in HarmonyOS.
This one is the file transport. If you want to forward in a file to me, but you do not want me to transfer to the other one, you can encrypt this file, and only I can open it, and the other one, if I share it to the other one,
doesn't work.
The other one can't open this file.
That's good. That's nice.
Yes,
that's a nice feature.
Yeah, yes. If you have some very secret file and about the business that you want
so the owner of the file signs it, something like this. And then you can say only people which I give the public key to or something like that.
Yes.
They can access.
Only you choose the one can open it. The others cannot.
That's nice. Because usually if you put password on a file, then we just send it away and say, here's the password for the file.
Sorry?
Usually, because if you have a PDF
yes.
and you want to make it secret, you set the password on a file, you send it to someone, and they say, here's the password. No. And then they will send it to someone else, and then everyone has it anyway.
You don't need to give the password to anyone. You only to this one. You can have a chat. For example, this picture, you want to share it, use this one.
And they can put the phone.
Use your Huawei ID.
The other user must have a Huawei phone?
Yes.
Okay.
But you can use any apps to share it.
Okay.
PDF. For example, this one. Only he can to open this. Yes. If he forwarding
doesn't work.
You cannot to open it. Another feature is if I'm the owner of the device and I watch my screen. Someone else to watch it too. It will advance you to someone else is watching the screen too, and I know it is. Some apps can use this ability to
hide a password or something.
To do some feature. For example, you can to lock the screen or put some
blur or something.
Some word to cover it. If you want, for example, if you want you use WeChat.
You don't want secrecy.
You want your girlfriend or you to watch your screen. You can detect it.
As I mentioned earlier, the main target of this convention is organization and industries. And while a lot of the demos were honestly a bit on the boring side, this education demo really stood out to me. Tech itself might not have been the most advanced, but I really liked how they implemented it. It was practical, creative, and genuinely useful.
A lot of other features such as telemetry, also they have another lot of the materials is offline can provide for teacher to create the courseware. And also they have some math.
Oh, can you?
Yeah. And you have the flange as well as some other. A lot of other features and resource. And so they even we can separate three panel and three students can write at the same time with different colors. Here. They separate. At the same time, all the notes were displayed on the pad.
Oh.
Yeah, it will can. The student can remote operation with the teacher as well.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. I see.
Next up, let's have a look on the new one-hop features in HarmonyOS 6.
And this both focuses on HarmonyOS connectivity feature.
Ah.
If you, I can show you some features, like oh, you can touch. I need to
You need to share something, yeah.
I need to select a photo.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I can do it. Yeah.
You can do it. And the HarmonyOS has upgraded the one hop feature.
Yeah, is this?
You can touch the PC screen to share photos or other files like this.
Yeah.
Touch and slide to PC and the photo will be saved.
Which version is which
Wait, what?
which OS? 5, 6?
6? HarmonyOS 6.
Ah.
And this feature.
But this one also 6. This you also 6 in this one too?
Yes, this is it.
Oh, okay.
6 too.
So I have this one. This one's 6 too. But my computer only 5.
Oh.
I cannot do it 5, right?
Your this phone is 6.
Yeah.
That is.
它这个可能是4.2。
Oh,
Yep.
6, yeah, 6. You can share to it, but
Okay.
you need to sign in same account.
Ah, yeah.
This function
Ah,
is
okay.
same account, same Huawei account.
Ah.
So you can't do it. You can
But it
switch.
will tell me different accounts, something like this, right?
Yeah. Look to.
Ah,
same,
okay.
Same Huawei account.
Okay.
你需要同一个 page 的吗？
同一个华为账号。
哦，
Yeah. Do you want to experience? Do you want to try?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Just,
Yeah.
yeah.
And it also support different window like this. You can touch this window. Sorry. You can touch this window, and the picture will be import to this window.
Okay. So into that.
So yes,
Okay.
if you want to edit it, you can
Ah,
edit. And
okay.
then you can receive from PC to like this.
Oh.
Receive.
Okay. 6 on the computer. It's closed, right? Closed beta on
What? Sorry.
for the PC, right?
Yeah.
The beta number 6 is closed, or
Yeah.
this is developer beta on the phone, but on the PC it's still closed, no?
It's will be 6 or and higher.
Yeah.
The phone need to be 6.
Yeah. Okay, but the computer can be 5.
No. This feature is only support HarmonyOS 6.
Okay, so this is 6.
This is 6. Yes. HarmonyOS 6.
I thought you couldn't get on the computer. I thought this is a closed beta.
Sorry?
This one man beta or anyway on the phone
Yeah.
you can apply get the beta
Yeah.
developer beta, but on the computer I cannot get one.
Oh, computer, you can't get this version.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because
It will be.
this one is
will
still
be released-
invite only or
will be released in 1 or 2 months.
okay.
Okay.
Yeah, because I have this one. I have the computer,
Oh,
but
yeah, cool.
but I don't have the. Yeah, I want to bet on this one too, but I don't have.
Maybe you can sign you can go to my Huawei.
Yeah.
My Huawei will be where you can submit your.
I don't think you can choose the computer. I'm not sure. You can only choose. This model is not on the developer beta. I don't think.
Okay.
I'm not sure. Thank you.
One other feature is gesture share. Grab and
Yeah.
and
This
drop,
one.
you
Boom.
know,
Yeah. I know.
And 6 has upgraded the one home feature to support 1 to 4 device one home share. You can support touch.
Okay. So you can same time.
Yeah, at the same time. Also, you can complete multiplayer game setup like this. To show you. When you want to play games with other friends,
The near link. No.
you can. It will be a second.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is X. Wait. This one X5? No. X6.
HarmonyOS 6.
The phone.
The
X5.
phone is
Mate. X5.
X5.
X5. Okay.
碰组对手。
对。And when you want to play with others,
Yes,
you
man.
just touch one phone. And then touch this. And slide. 来了一个滚筒。It will launch this game and join this game. Yeah.
That's cool.
This is HarmonyOS 6 support.
Yeah. When do you think 6 will be released for?
6 is developer version is released, but the
Production?
the normal version is supposed maybe 1 or 2 months later.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Yeah, I'm looking forward to this. Yeah. That's cool.
And app continuity, do you know this feature?
Yeah.
Continuity.
Yeah, I know this one. It's like when you have here, I start notes here, I can just pick notes here, right? Yeah. I know.
知道了好多，
开发者。
应该不是开发者，但他知道了很多，know everything.
I do some develop some apps.
Oh, you're a developer.
Yeah,
Okay.
I do.
Great.
So this one,
Oh.
and also do this one. I do tests, but I have some bugs I have to fix before release. Okay, thank you.
Attending this conference was invite only, and I received my invitation from GitCode, which has ambitions to become the Chinese GitHub. Here is a quick look at what they do.
Okay.
Hello, welcome to HC. And here I want to introduce you about this GitCode open source community. If you are a developer, you may consider GitCode as a GitHub in China. So this open source community was established like 2 years before in 2023, and right now it has over like more than 7 million registers here, and we have more than 700 e-star project here. We integrating the advantage of GitHub and the hygiene phase. So we already have more than like 8,500 AI modules already in this community. So our target is that to be the most popular and the largest open source community in China, and we wish all the developers could come here, join us, and contribute to this. Is that okay?
Here are some quick shots of some of the robots I saw. The first one is the wafer moving robot. Then we have a congee robot, a small dog robot, a welding robot, and finally a sorting robot. Overall, I found this event really interesting, and I definitely hope I can attend again next year. Since I was most interested in the HarmonyOS part of the convention, I spent most of my time there talking with Huawei stuff about HarmonyOS 6, upcoming features, and how to develop apps for the ecosystem. The more business-oriented parts of the convention were also nice, but honestly, those B2B presentations tend to feel quite similar and can get a bit dry. I've done those kinds of presentations myself, so I wasn't too surprised by the style or selling points.
So we will upload the CAD.
Yeah, as you can see, this one is painfully slow. Oh, let's speed it up. All right, that's it for this year's Huawei Connect. I hope to be back again next year. Let's wrap things up with some ping pong. See you next time.
Let's play ping pong.
Okay.
You can put your back to the chair. Okay, so let's try, okay?
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh. Sorry, it's too hard.
Another turn. Okay, I'm serious this time, okay? Oh, so nice.
Oh.
Ah, you're so good at ping pong.
No,
Okay?
no. Okay, that's it.